So just quick announcement here. This is really unfortunate news, but my PC, it won't turn on, like at all, and I didn't do anything with it. Like I literally just moved it from my house, to my parents' house, and um, yeah. So I don't know how. I don't have like I'm broke, so I'm not gonna be able to fix it. So I do have the drive with all my world on it, but I don't have a PC to put the drive onto, so I won't be able to play Minecraft on my PC, which means I won't be able to make Minecraft content, which really sucks. But in the meantime, I do have the PlayStation here, and I have Gran Turismo, Fortnite, Minecraft, F1, so I can film content on here. Sorry, it's like really loud. It's like blasting, but I just wanted to make that. Good God, I just wanted to make that announcement. So I'll have to figure out what to do with my PC, but in the meantime, I'm gonna have to work and figure out how to make content. So, anyways, thank you for watching. I'll keep you all posted. I will make some videos on my PlayStation and figure out how to make content. But yeah, thanks so much. See y'all later.